Today we are doing the test for carbonate. Carbonate is an anion and we can't take a solid or a solution which contains only anion. So we need to have a salt taken. So today we are using calcium carbonate. You can see this is calcium carbonate. So today we are using calcium carbonate. Take a small portion of calcium carbonate by using a spatula. This is metallic spatula. Then add to the test tube. When you add, make sure there is not a lot of solid sticking onto the side. After that, you add any acid. Today we are using hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid, a maximum strength of 1 molar. For transferring the acid, I have taken the acid in a test tube. I take a small portion of acid. Usually when I use the normal teeth pipette, I can get solution around 1 centimeter cube. Then I add I can hear the bubbling noise. I can see the bubbles formed. Not much heat, though it is expected to be exothermic reaction. You can really see that a lot of bubbles formed. So the observations you write, bubbles formed, effervescence. Effervescence is the boiling appearance of the bubbles formed, and the solid is gradually dissolving. But some of you may misinterpret it for kind of not so clear, or you will say that it is turning milky. That is not true. You can see that it was bubbles turning it not clear, turbid. Now it is clearing. When we add more of acids, you can see the solid dissolves, solid reacts more, and the solid is dissolving, and finally the solution, we will get a clear solution. Since I have taken a lot of calcium carbonate into it, so I need more acid. Eventually it will clear off. Now the test for carbon dioxide. When you do, you take a blue litmus paper. It's blue. Make it wet. Always litmus papers, when you use, or any indicator paper other than test for water, you should be using moistened or wet litmus paper. Keep the litmus paper, and the carbon dioxide is acidic, that turns litmus paper red. The amount of carbon dioxide is quite good and quite high. That's why you get a fairly good red color. Otherwise you may get a weak red color or feeble red color. That is the test for carbon dioxide, its acidic nature. This unit is called the unit for transferring or testing carbon dioxide. It has a delivery tube, specially designed delivery tube. This is with a rubber band, which will be fitting onto a boiling tube properly, and then the other end can reach to lime water we are taking. So in order to test for carbon dioxide gas, I need to start the test by taking certain amount of lime water. Usually I take lime water for doing any experiment with lime water or any reagent. I prefer you to take small volumes. You can also use a dropper or a teeth pipette for that. This is the maximum amount. More amount of lime water when you take, the amount of carbon dioxide you need to produce will be huge. So I'm limiting the lime water around 2 centimeter cube. Then I take calcium carbonate into the boiling tube. And then I need to add the acid. When I add the acid, take the acid. Okay. Keep it closed. Make sure that acid is not touching onto the side so that your hand will be touching the acid. Your finger, your thumb should be protected. I added more, and then I keep the bung delivery tube ready, and I take the delivery tube should be reaching into the lime water, and slightly shake it because carbon dioxide is quite heavy. That will be at the bottom of the boiling tube, and now you can see that the lime water turned milky. It clearly shows the lime water turning milky. So our test is very successful. It shows the presence of carbon dioxide. So with this test, we proved that the anion we have used is carbonate. Thank you.